Hi everyone, this is Susie. Let us make scrambled egg with tomatoes today. This is an everyday dish for Chinese. It looks easy, but I will share some techniques with you to make it perfect. We need 3 eggs, 3 tomatoes, and 1 green onion. Crack 3 eggs. Mix the eggs in the same direction. Cut the tomatoes into big pieces, resulting in a better taste. Put the tomatoes in a bowl. Chop green onion in a bowl. Heat up the pan first, then add cooking oil. When oil is heated to 120 degrees, add in the eggs. Turn down the heat to low. Fry it for 1 minute until eggs consolidate. Take out the eggs into a bowl. Heat up the pan again, then add cooking oil. Add chopped tomatoes, fry them in low heat. Add 5 grams tomato ketchup to increase tomatoes flavor. Stir fry it for 1 minute, then add 1 gram salt, 1 gram sugar for balanced salt taste. Finally, add fried eggs. Mix it a few times, and it is ready to be completed. A delicious scrambled egg with tomatoes is done. Rice and tomato scrambled eggs is a great match. Mix them together. The rice completely absorbs the flavor of tomato scrambled eggs, which is the most delicious food in the world. I will show how to cook tofu with eggs next time. Thank you for watching. See you soon.